Hello listener, in our previous class we have discussed about how to find prime factors of a number. If you miss my previous video, go to the Noble Education channel and you can see all the videos related to real numbers, trigonometries and other chapters. Just click on the bell icon and subscribe my channel for latest videos. Today we are going to discuss how to find HCF and LCM. HCF is nothing but highest common factor and LCM is least common method by using your prime factorization method. As all of you know that how to find HCF because you learn in your previous classes. Let's discuss how to find HCF and LCM of 12 and 18 by prime factorization method. So we have 12. Okay, we have 12. What are the factors of 12 is 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 square into 3. Just go 2 6 are 12. Okay, 2 3 are 6. 2 into 2 into 3. And what about 18? 18 just 2 3 are 6. 6 3 are 18. 2 into 3 square. Okay. Just to find out the highest common factor of 12 comma 18 and we have to find out the LCM of 12 comma 18 by using your prime factorization method. What do you mean by HCF is highest common factor? But in this case, you should not take highest common. Here what is common? 2 is common, 3 is common. Highest common means 2 square is the highest common, 3 square is the highest common. But in case of HCF, you have to take least, reverse. Highest means you have to take least common factor. What is the least common factor? 2 to the power of 1 into 3 to the power of 1. So, how much you will get as 6. What about least common factor means you have to take highest common factor first. Okay, highest common factor you have to take means product of greatest power of each prime factor of 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the square. LCM have to take highest factor. So 2 square. In this 3 to the power of 1, 3 square. Which one is highest? 3 square. Means all highest factors, prime factors, LCM has to take. So, what is the answer? 2 square into 3 square is equal to 2 to the 4, 4 into 9. You will get as 36. HCF is 6, LCM is 36. What I said, how to find product of the smallest powers of each common means in that smallest power of common prime factor. LCM product of the greatest power you have to take means each prime factors you have to take it. Let's do some important problems related to finding HCF and LCM of a number. Okay, these important problems will come in your examinations. Sure. Express the number 6825 and 3825 as a product of its prime factor. So what we have to first find out HCF and LCM by using products of prime factors and you have to justify your answer. So we are having number 6825. What are the factors you will get as 5 into 5 into 3 into 91 you will get it. Okay, 5 square into 3 into 91. Go 6825 by 5. Okay, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 16, 17, 5 6 are 30, 5 5 are 25. Then go for 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, 5 3s are 15, 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3. In this manner, you have to find out the factors. Okay. So, For 3, 8 to 5. What are the prime factors? You will get it 5 into 5, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 3, okay, into 51. You will get it, okay, you will get it. So, what you will get? 5 square into 3 into 51, okay, 3 into, then find out the HCF, okay, HCF. What I said that smallest common factor, smallest common factor. In these two common factors are there, 5 square and 5 square, 3 and 3, means both are same, 3 to the power of 3 2, means highest and least both are same, okay. So, what are the least? 5 square into 3 to the power of 1, okay, you will get as 25 into 3, 25 into 3, you will get as 75. Then find out LCM. LCM, what you are saying? Highest power of a all common product of all factors. Highest, smallest is also same, 3 to the power of 1, okay, 3 to the power of 1 into 5 square into 91 into 51, okay, 91 into 51, HCF and LCM. You have to take all the highest power factors of a number. Second bit we completed, we find out the HCF and LCM. So, we have to justify. How? Product of two numbers, product of two numbers, okay. What are the numbers? You are having 6825 into 3825, okay. These are the two numbers. This is the two numbers in which you find out the HCF and LCM. Just multiply it, you will get as 26105625, okay. This will be the answer of your product of two numbers. Then just find out the product of LCM and HCF numbers, okay, LCM and HCF numbers. So, what you are getting? HCF is 75 into LCM, 5 square into 3 into 91 into 51. Just multiplied it, you will get as same number 26105625. Hence, LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Product of two numbers. You justify the answer. Just note it down. Our next important problem is write any 2-3 digit number, find their LCM and HCF by prime factorization method. Let the 2-3 digit numbers be, you are taking 100 and 200. Any 3 digit numbers you can take it. Okay, find out the LCM and HCF. Okay, so what are the prime factor? What are the prime factor? Prime factorization of 100 is equal to 2 square into 5 square, and prime factorization of 200 is 2 cube into 5 square. 5 square. Okay. So, what is the LCM? What is it? Highest factors you have to write. 2 square 2 cube, highest is 2 cube. In that 5 square is same. So, you can take 2 cube into 5 square is equal to 200. What is your HCF? HCF least 2 cube 2 square will be there. 5 square is common, okay, common factor. 2 2s are 4, 4 into 5 5s are 25. So, what you will get? 100, okay. try to solve other problems in your exercise. If you had any doubt, just write your doubts in a comment box. Subscribe to my channel, like and share it with your friends.